Once upon a time, in a small town named Culinaryville, lived a curious little girl named Mia. She loved to help her mother in the kitchen, especially when it came to cooking her favorite food, fries. One sunny day, Mia found an old, dusty frying pan hidden in the back of the pantry. With a sparkle in her eyes, she decided to clean it and see if it worked. She polished the frying pan until it shined like new. When she placed it on the stove and heated some oil, something magical happened. The frying pan began to glow with a warm, golden light. "Wow, this is amazing!" Mia exclaimed, her eyes wide with excitement. She dropped a potato slice into the sizzling oil and watched as the most delicious-looking fries started to form. The aroma of the fries filled the kitchen, making Mia's mouth water. She carefully removed the golden fries from the magical frying pan and took a bite. They were the tastiest fries she had ever had. Mia ran to show her mother the magical frying pan. Her mother was amazed and excited, too. From that day on, they used the magical frying pan to make the most delicious fries in all of Culinaryville. Mia and her mother shared the secret of the magical frying pan with their friends, who came from far and wide to taste the delicious fries. The magical frying pan brought happiness and joy to everyone in Culinaryville. One day, a mysterious stranger showed up, looking for the magical frying pan. He said he was a sorcerer who had lost his powers, and the frying pan could help him regain them. Mia and her mother were hesitant, but they knew the power of sharing happiness and decided to help. The sorcerer thanked them and, with a wave of his wand, the frying pan returned to its magical state. Mia and her mother continued to make delicious fries, spreading happiness and joy throughout Culinaryville. The end. Moral of the story: sharing happiness can bring magic into our lives.